Hey everyone! All right, Fluid Art Experience 2026 happening April 16th to 19th. It is now official. Website is up. You can place book your tickets. There's going to be familiar faces and new faces. We've got Kathleen from Cause Creations. Tara is going to be there. Nate Bright is coming back. We have a new Nick Boltman, he is new. Winterstrom, Jessica Winterstrom, and me, of course. This is going too fast. Britta Clayton Design is going to be there, and Brian from Studio Acrylics, and Sarah Taylor, and of course the Massey Boys. Boy, that was a mouthful, but yeah. Dallas, Texas, April 16th to 19th. It is a 4-day event. FAE, Fluid Art Experience, usually is a 3-day event. Usually it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But this year or next year, they have the Massey Boys, Lee, has decided to change it up a little bit and got a lot of feedback from the past FAE experiences. And a lot of the students were saying they wanted a 4-day event. So that is what is happening. It is a 4-day event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, where you can pick and choose from all of the artists you just saw, me as well, of course. And it's 2 classes per day that you can take. So you can take a maximum of 8 classes and a minimum of 1. Whatever you desire, and you can take all classes from all of one, teacher. You can come and take all 8 classes of mine. You can mix it up and take one class from everybody else. I mean, every class is has its cost. So like I said, I will put the website in the description below. And then just click on the link and you can check out what all the classes are, what everyone has to offer, what we're teaching. I'm going to be teaching, of course, the blowouts. I'm going to be teaching a bloom technique, a couple of resin classes. So yeah, there's a lot happening and I'm excited. If you are interested in coming to Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art Experience, like I said, click on the website and get those tickets. So yeah. All right. So it is Saturday, November 15th, and I leave for Mexico tomorrow. I'm going to Cancun, Mexico, with Anthony. It is a much needed vacation after, unpacking and getting this house in order for the last month and a half. I am absolutely physically, mentally beat. So it's time for a little vacation. But the good news is when we get back, I am going to be recording new content. So no more throwbacks when I get back. So after I'm back in a week, you will see new videos from me in the new studio. You'll get a tour of the new studio. So stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned because it is literally Black Friday week. I know Thanksgiving is coming up for my fellow Americans. So Black Friday is coming up as well, which means some great deals and some great sales. Krystal Resin is going to be doing a huge sale. So stay tuned for that. I'll mention that obviously when I get back. And Lolivefe is also doing a huge sale as well for Black Friday. So if you are running low on resin or you need some Lolivefe stuff, stay tuned because when I get back, there's going to be a great Black Friday sale happening with both companies. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I am super excited. Today, Anthony and I finally got the garage organized. The other day, I managed to snag a couple of the workers that are working on the house that's currently being built next door. And I said to them, hey, you guys want to make some, a little cash on the side? I need some muscles. So I got a couple of guys and Anthony, and they lifted. I wish I had it on camera, but I didn't want to record them and make them feel awkward. But they lifted the new Eon laser machine that I got. Some of you know about that already. Some of you are wondering what the heck am I talking about? but I got a brand new laser machine, and that sucker was 550 pounds. And they lifted that up and put it on the stand that it comes with. And now that it was finally on a stand and on wheels, Anthony and I were able to put it where it needed to go, get my table set up. I still have the old laser machine, which I'm trying to sell because I don't need two of them. So yeah, super excited about that, that it's finally set up and the garage has been cleared out, which means my car can go in the garage and, come winter time, it won't get, pummeled with snow. So I'm super excited. It's just little victories for me to be able to get things in order and set up and cleaned up and everything put in its proper place. But yeah, once I get back, I need to obviously get the new laser machine set up and running, figure out the programming on my MacBook and all of that stuff. So I won't be cutting right away. But once I get that all set up, probably within that week, I can finally start spinners. I can finally start fulfilling everybody's orders for spinners that you're on the wait list for, and I can start doing orders. So when I get back, look for an email from me or a message. If you did message me on Facebook, you will be getting a message from me to confirm your order, send payment, and then I will start cutting spinners. So yeah, super excited, super duper excited about it. And I can't wait to show you guys, like I said, the tour of everything. I'm going to show you a tour of the workshop in the garage once that's all set up. But a lot is going on. A lot has been going on, and there's still a lot going on that's going to be coming up. So, and when I get back, it'll be back to business, my friends. So, anywho, oh, I didn't even tell you what video number this was. I got so distracted with talking about FAE and everything, I totally forgot to tell you this is video number 374, and it was from September of 2021. So video 374, go check it out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. As usual, the more comments, the better. Really helps my channel, the algorithm, yada yada. And go check out the original too, and see what was going on 4 years ago and how I was doing things differently 4 years ago. So yeah, and again, if you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments below. Don't forget, when I get back, there's going to be a huge Black Friday sale, so stay tuned for a huge Lolivefe and Krystal Resin Black Friday sale. So yeah, I mean, I'll be back and I'll finally be able to show you guys the new studio and start painting and doing new videos for you guys. And I'll try and get some videos while I'm gone, but I can't promise. So you might not see any throwbacks from me for the next week until I get back. Maybe you will. Depends on how much time I have before I leave. If I can get 2 more throwbacks out for you guys. But if not, rest assured, I will be back and I will be starting new videos. So that's very exciting for you, me, all of us. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And really loving that pop of hot pink there. That's it for me for now. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!